Hello everyone. My name is Yoichi Hirahara, and I serve as the Senior Coordinator for AI Strategy in the Planning Division of the Japan Meteorological Agency. I am responsible for planning and coordinating initiatives related to AI technologies in JMA. Today, under this title, I would like to introduce the current status and future expectations of AI implementation in JMA operations. As part of Japan's government, JMA implements its services with the following ultimate goal in compliance with the Act for Establishment of the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism, and the Meteorological Service Act, prevention and mitigation of natural disasters, safety of transportation, the development and prosperity of industry, improvement of public welfare. To meet these goals, JMA focuses its efforts on monitoring the Earth's environment and forecasting natural phenomena related to the atmosphere, the oceans, and the Earth, as well as on conducting research and technical development in related fields. Particular emphasis is placed on the prevention and mitigation of natural disasters, as Japan is prone to a variety of natural hazards such as typhoons, heavy rains, and earthquakes. JMA, as a sole national authority responsible for issuing weather, tsunami warnings, and advisories, is required to provide reliable and timely information to governmental agencies and residents for the purpose of natural disasters prevention and mitigation. This slide shows the warning and advisories issued by the JMA in relation to meteorological information for disaster prevention. In our daily lives, hazards such as river flooding, landslides, and storm surges may occur due to heavy rainfall and other severe weather conditions. When dangerous weather conditions are anticipated, the JMA issues various types of information, including emergency warning, urgent warning, advisory, and other related information to ensure that appropriate measures are taken to mitigate potential disasters. On May 29 of this year, the JMA reorganized the framework for meteorological information for disaster prevention. The updated system introduced a 5-level alert scale linked to residents' evacuation actions, thereby clarifying increasing disaster risks and providing clearer guidance for evacuation decisions. As shown in the table in the upper right, each alert level is associated with a specific color. Local meteorological offices issue warnings for each municipality. This slide presents the guidelines for JMA medium to long-term policy initiatives. The JMA has been promoting various measures in line with 2018 recommendation by the Meteorological Subcommittee, Vision for Meteorological Service in 2013, which serves as a guiding framework for its medium to long-term policies. As shown in this figure, the JMA has advanced its meteorological service based on 2 key pillars: advancing research and development for observing and forecasting, and promoting use of meteorological data and information with the aim of contributing to disaster prevention, daily life, and economic activities. In particular, with regard to disaster prevention, which directly affects the lives and property of the public, the JMA has been implementing measures to further strengthen disaster response and support. The recommendations were formulated in 2018. However, since then, the environment surrounding meteorological service has continued to evolve, driven by advances in observation and forecasting technologies, as well as information processing. In light of these recent societal and technological developments, the 39th meeting of the Meteorological Subcommittee, held in March of the last year, discussed additional measures to be strengthened while building on the 2013 vision. The outcomes were compiled in June of the last year as a recommendation titled Reinforcement Vision for Meteorological Service in 2013. The recommendation identifies 5 priority areas for further strengthening. Specifically, these are enhanced typhoon information, enhanced climate change information, promoting measures against large-scale earthquake, volcanic eruptions, utilization of advanced AI technology, and enhancement of map information. In recent years, in particular, advanced AI technologies have progressed remarkably, far exceeding the assumptions made at the time of the 2030 vision, and their applications have rapidly expanded across society. Accordingly, to strengthen meteorological service as a whole and provide more effective support for disaster response through advanced AI technologies, the report highlights the promotion of research and development in advanced AI, revealing insights from the natural science, as well as the development and enhancement of necessary operational environment and institutional frameworks as one of the key measures to the reinforcement going forward. This slide illustrates a future vision for the use of AI in the operations of the JMA. Information provisions at the JMA, both in meteorological service and in earthquake and volcanic service, generally follows four main processes: observation, analysis, estimation, prediction, operation. AI has the potential to be applied across each of these processes to enhance both accuracy and sophistication. For example, in the observation processes, AI can be used for quality control of observational data, thereby improving data quality and helping prevent the dissemination of erroneous information. In the creation of analytical products, such as analyzed precipitation, estimated seismic intensity distributions, and satellite-derived products, the use of AI is expected to enable more accurate estimation. In prediction, including numerical weather prediction and nowcasting, AI is expected to improve both accuracy and computational efficiency. AI can also be applied to operational tasks such as real-time monitoring and information production to promote standardization and accelerate the delivery of information. In this way, the application of advanced AI across the full range of JMA operations has the potential to further enhance the accuracy and sophistication of meteorological information for disaster prevention and to provide support for disaster response efforts. This slide provides detail of the measures related to the utilization of advanced AI technologies. In light of subsequent societal development, particularly the rapid advance of advanced AI technologies, there is an increasing need to leverage these technologies to further enhance meteorological information for disaster prevention. However, the use of AI technologies also involves certain risks and challenges. These include the black box nature of AI processes, which can make it difficult to verify the validity of results, as well as the potential to produce plausible yet incorrect output. As a direction for future policy, JMA aims to utilize state-of-the-art AI technologies across all aspects of its operations to provide more advanced meteorological information for disaster prevention in timely and accurate manner, thereby enabling effective use by a wide range of stakeholders and contributing to disaster response and action. To achieve this, it will be necessary to promote technological development, enhance and expand operational environments and institutional frameworks, and strengthen collaboration among industry, academia, and government. Three examples are presented here to illustrate the use of advanced AI technologies. One example is application of AI to weather forecasting. In addition to conventional physics-based models, the JMA plans to enhance meteorological forecast by incorporating outputs generated by AI-based models. Another example concerns the next-generation Himawari satellite, which will be equipped with new sensors and is expected to generate extremely large volumes of observational data. The JMA plans to use AI technologies to analyze these massive datasets and effectively utilize the result products. The final example relates to the advanced use of seismic observation data by AI. By developing and applying AI models trained on both seismic waveforms and noise waveforms observed by seismometers, the JMA aimed to improve the accuracy of noise in identification and thereby reduce errors in hypocenter determination. This slide provides an overview of recent initiatives at the JMA. For the three specific examples presented in the previous slide, the JMA has strengthened its development framework and started pioneering development from April in this year. In addition, the JMA is promoting studies on the potential application of AI across a wide range of operations in JMA. Specifically, the JMA has launched feasibility studies to explore the use of advanced AI technologies in areas such as more effective methods for investigating severe wind events, volcanic monitoring techniques, and nowcasting. JMA is promoting its AI initiatives based on the following basic principles. Regarding co-creation involving AI and natural sciences, the JMA aimed to integrate advanced AI technologies with conventional technique grounded in the natural science. Through this co-creation, the JMA seeks to enhance the accuracy and timelines of the information it provides, thereby contributing to disaster prevention, transportation safety, and industrial development. Regarding co-creation involving government, private sector, and academia, the JMA aims to establish a collaborative framework that leverages its strengths, such as domain expertise in meteorological operations and foundational data, together with advanced AI capabilities of private sector and academia, thereby creating synergic values. Regarding co-creation involving human and AI, the JMA seeks to establish an environment in which the respective strengths of human and advanced AI, the AI technologies are effectively combined. By using AI to support tasks traditionally carried out by humans, personnel can focus more on core responsibilities such as disaster response. At the same time, the JMA will ensure appropriate human accountability so that the use of advanced AI does not result in a black box without a clear justification. Based on these basic principles, the JMA will continue to promote initiatives for the effective utilization of AI technologies. Thank you.